Namaskar, I am Ashok Kumar Gupta again with you today with the fifth video lesson on close packed structure. This topic belongs to class 12 chemistry of NCERT syllabus. After watching this video, you will be able to describe close packing of atoms in 1, 2 and 3 dimension, able to describe coordination number in 2-dimensional square close packing and 2-dimensional hexagonal close packing, describe the coordination number in 3-dimensional square close packing and 3-dimensional hexagonal close packing. You will be able to describe the meaning of AB, AB, AB and ABC, ABC type of arrangement in 3-dimensional close packing. You will be able to define voids to identify cubic, tetrahedral and octahedral voids in close packing. You will be able to calculate the coordination number of cubic, tetrahedral and octahedral voids. You will be able to calculate the total number of voids in a close packed structure. You will be able to explain the significance of voids. You will be able to predict the formula of a compound if its crystal packing is known. You will be able to describe the packing in a compound if its formula is known. This is my recommendation for optimum academic benefit while watching this video. Please keep the notebook, pen and pencil ready for making notes and completing the worksheets. Make the worksheet as shown on the video screen in your notebook. While watching the video, you are advised to complete the same. You may pause, play the video as per your pace. I feel that it will be convenient for you if you have downloaded the video. Note the recapitulation points in your notebook. This will help you in preparation for test and examination in future. Worksheet number 1. Make note of this worksheet in notebook. Worksheet number 2, 3, 4, 5. Worksheet number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and worksheet number 11. These are the worksheets you have to complete while watching this video. The necessary information to complete these worksheets you will get in the video. Now let us start our discussion.
Close packed structures. In solids, the constituent particles are close packed, leaving the minimum vacant space. Let us consider the constituent particles as identical spheres and build up the 3-dimensional structure. This can be done in 3 steps. A. Close packing in 1 dimension. B. Close packing in 2 dimensions. C. Close packing in 3 dimensions. Close packing in 1 dimension. There is only one way of arranging spheres in a 1-dimensional close packed structure, that is, to arrange them in a row and touching each other. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 2 of its neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called coordination number. Thus, in 1-dimensional close packed arrangement, the coordination number is 2. Close packing in 2 dimensions. Close packing in 2 dimensions can be generated by placing rows of 1-dimensionally close packed spheres one over the other. This can be done in 2 ways: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Square close packing. In this type of packing, the second row may be placed in contact with the first one such that the spheres of the second row are exactly above those of the first row. The spheres of the 2 rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. Thus, the 2-dimensional coordination number is 4. Also, if the centers of these 4 immediate neighboring spheres are joined, a square is formed. Hence, this packing is called square close packing. If we call the first row as A type row, the second row being exactly the same as the first one is also A type. Similarly, we may place more rows to obtain A type of arrangement. Hexagonal close packing. In this type of arrangement, the second row of spheres is placed above the first one in a staggered manner such that its spheres fit in the depressions of the first row. If the arrangement of spheres in the first row is called A type, the one in the second row is different and may be called B type. When the third row is placed adjacent to the second in staggered manner, its spheres are aligned with those of the first layer. Each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighbors, so the two-dimensional coordination number is 6. Similarly, on placing the fourth layer, you will observe that the fourth row of spheres are aligned with those of the second layer. Hence, this type of arrangement is known as AB type of arrangement or hexagonal close packing. If we compare square close packing with hexagonal close packing, we will observe that there are more empty space in square close packing than in hexagonal close packing. The empty spaces in between the spheres are known as voids. C. Close packing in 3 dimensions. 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square close packed layers. This can be generated by placing the 2-dimensional square close packed layer above the first layer such that the spheres of the second layer are exactly above the spheres of the first layer. In this arrangement, spheres of both the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. Similarly, we may place more layers one above the other. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 6 other spheres, 4 on the same layer, 1 above and 1 below the sphere. Consequently, the coordination number is 6. If the arrangement of spheres in the first layer is called A type, all the layers have the same arrangement. Thus, this lattice has A type pattern. The lattice thus generated is the simple cubic lattice and its unit cell is the primitive cubic unit cell. 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer. 3-dimensional hexagonal close packed structure can be generated by placing layers of 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layers one over the other. A. Placing second layer over the first layer. Let us take a 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer A. Note that this layer has triangular voids. Place a similar layer above it such that the spheres of the second layer are placed in the depressions of the first layer. Since the spheres of the two layers are aligned differently, let us call the second layer as B type. It can be observed that not all the triangular wires of the first layer are covered by the spheres of the second layer. This gives rise to different arrangements. Voids. As we know that the empty space in between the particles is called voids or interstitial space. There are two types of voids. Number one, tetrahedral voids denoted by T. Number two, octahedral voids denoted by O. Tetrahedral voids. When we place a close packed layer above the depression of the first layer, you will observe that at some places the triangular voids of the first layer are being covered by the spheres of the second layer. This void enclosed by four spheres is known as tetrahedral void denoted by T. At some other places, you will notice that the triangular voids of the first layer coincide with the triangular void of the second layer, such that their triangular shapes do not overlap. At such places, another type of void is formed, which is known as octahedral void, O. Since an octahedron is formed by joining the centers of the six surrounding spheres. The number of these two types of voids depend upon the number of close packed spheres. If the number of close packed spheres is n, then the number of octahedral voids generated is equal to n. The number of tetrahedral voids generated is equal to 2n. Placing third layer over the second layer. When third layer is placed over the second layer, there are two possibilities. Number one, covering tetrahedral voids, and number two, covering octahedral voids. Covering tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids of the second layer may be covered by the spheres of the third layer. As a result, the spheres of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first layer. If we call the first layer as A type and the second layer as B type, then the third layer will also be A type. Thus, the pattern of spheres is repeated in alternate layers. This pattern is known as AB-AB pattern. This structure is called hexagonal close packed HCP structure. In this type of structure, each sphere is in contact with 12 other spheres, 6 at the same layer, 3 below and 3 above. So, the coordination number is 12. Covering octahedral voids. The octahedral voids of the second layer can be covered by placing the spheres of the third layer over them. On doing so, the spheres of the third layer are not aligned with those of either the first or the second layer. If we call the first layer as A type and the second layer as B type, then the third layer will be C type. Now, if we place the fourth layer over the octahedral voids of the third layer, then the spheres of this layer gets aligned with the spheres of the first layer. Therefore, this pattern is known as ABC type, and the structure formed is known as cubic close packing, CCP, or face centered cubic FCC structure. In this type of structure, each sphere is in contact with 12 other spheres, 6 at the same layer, 3 below and 3 above. So, the coordination number is 12.
Now is the turn of a recapitulation. Okay. So, number 1, you may note down these points in your notebook. So, close packing in one dimension. This is in contact with these two neighbors. So, coordination number is 2. Close packing in two dimension. This can be done in two ways. This is A type of arrangement, and this is B type of arrangement. What is the difference? Look, in this arrangement, once we arrange the spheres along one dimension, then same one-dimensional arrangement is put over the layer A. Over this layer, we put another layer of the same one-dimensionally arranged spheres. Therefore, we get a vertical and horizontal arrangement of particles. Right? Each particle is in contact with 4 other particles. So, coordination number is 4. This is here the particles of layer B are in the depression between the particles of layer A. So, the alignment of these particles is not same as that of A. Therefore, this is layer B. A, B type of arrangement. Here, one particle, which is, you can take off any particle. A particle is in contact with 6 other particles or spheres. Therefore, coordination number is 6. And when we join the center of these spheres, we get a hexagon. So, this is hexagonal close packing. And here, when we join the center of these particles, we get a square. Therefore, this is square close packing. Close packing in 3 dimensions. We can start from 2-dimensional square close packed structure and then put one layer over the other. We'll get this structure. Here, this is simple cubic lattice and primitive cubic unit cell is formed. In this case, coordination number is 6. Take off any particle. This particle is in contact with 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 particles. 1 below it and 1 above it. So there are 6 particles. Now, if you consider about this particle, 1. This is in contact with 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 behind this and 1 before this. So there are 6 particles around any particle. So coordination number is 6. If we start from 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer, then we can put one layer over the other in such a way that we get hexagonal and cubic close packing. Arrangement ABC is called face centered cubic close packing, and arrangement AB is called hexagonal cubic close packing. Coordination number in both these two cases is 12, and both of these two structures have tetrahedral and octahedral voids. What is void? The free space between the spheres in a close packed structure is called voids or holes. Radius ratio, the radius of the void to that of the sphere enclosing the void is called radius ratio of the void. In a simple cubic lattice or primitive unit cell, there is cubic void. Here, this space between these 8 particles is cubic void. And about cubic void, coordination number is 8. This cubic void is in contact with 8 particles, so coordination number is 8, and the radius ratio of a cubic void is from 0.732 to 1. In AB type of arrangement as well as in ABC type of arrangement, we get 2 different types of voids. One is called tetrahedral, denoted by T, and the other is octahedral. Both these voids are present here in both these cases, right? A void which is enclosed by 3 particles and covered by a 4th particle is called tetrahedral void, and a void which is enclosed by 6 particles is octahedral void. Coordination number of octahedral void is 6. One void is surrounded by 6 particles, and the coordination number of tetrahedral void is 4. Radius ratio of tetrahedral void is 0.225 to 0.414, and radius ratio of octahedral void is 0.414 to 0.732. What is the location of the tetrahedral void? Look, the particle of FCC which is present at the corner is covering a tetrahedral void. There are 8 voids per unit cell in FCC unit cell, and they are present at the 8 corners. One tetrahedral void showing the geometry. This is one tetrahedral void showing its geometry. Octahedral void, this void is octahedral void which is present at the center of the unit cell. The center of the unit cell, this void is octahedral void because this is in contact with one particle here, one particle here, one particle here, one particle here. So there are 4 particles, one above and one below. So this void is octahedral void. Similarly, this void is 1/4 of octahedral void, 1/4 of octahedral void. So the void present at the edge is 1/4 of octahedral void. So this is the void present at the edge center, and this is a common void of 4 unit cells. Therefore, the contribution of this void in this unit cell is 1/4 and 1 at the center. Therefore, the total number of octahedral voids per unit cell is 1 at the center plus how many edges are there? 12 edges. 12 into 1/4 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 octahedral voids. 4 octahedral voids. And how many tetrahedral voids? 8 tetrahedral voids. 8 tetrahedral voids. This data is very important because later on we'll find a close relationship between the number of spheres forming close packing and the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids. It is impossible to pack identical spheres together with a coordination number greater than 12. The close packed structure adopted by a metal is always associated with lowest energy. If the number of close packed spheres is n, then the number of octahedral voids will also be equal to n, and the number of tetrahedral voids will be equal to 2n. In ionic solids, the bigger ion, bigger one, generally anion, that forms close packed structure, and smaller ions, usually cations, occupy voids. If the cation is small enough, a small cation occupies tetrahedral void, and bigger cations occupy octahedral voids. After recapitulation, I hope you might have written these points in your notebook, and now let us see about the worksheet. Answer of worksheet number 1. A 3-dimensional close packing can be generated in 3 steps. What are these 3 steps? Number A, close packing in 1 dimension, close packing in 2 dimension, and close packing in 3 dimensions. Worksheet number 2. In this arrangement, the number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called coordination number, right? So one particle is in contact with 2 particles, therefore coordination number is 2. Worksheet number 3. Close packing in 2 dimensions can be generated by placing rows of 1-dimensionally close packed structure one over the other, and this can be done in 2 ways. Number 1, square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Worksheet number 4. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. In this arrangement, coordination number is 4. If the center of these 4 immediate neighboring spheres are joined, a square is formed. This packing is called square close packing. This is called square close packing. Worksheet number 5. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighbors. The 2-dimensional coordination number in this structure is 6. The centers of these 6 spheres marked in the diagram are at the corners of a regular hexagon. This packing is called two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Worksheet number 6. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 6 of other spheres. In this arrangement, the coordination number is 6. Okay, look at this particle. This particle is in contact with these 4 particles, and 1 particle behind and 1 particle before. So there are 6 particles. The lattice generated in this arrangement is cubic close packing, and its unit cell is primitive or simple cubic unit cell. These wires are, this wire is octahedral wire, this is octahedral wire, and this particle is covering a tetrahedral wire. This particle is covering a tetrahedral wire. So there are 4 numbers of spheres around a tetrahedral wire, and there are 6 number of spheres around octahedral wire. Coordination number of tetrahedral wire is 4, and coordination number of octahedral wire is 6. These spheres are covering tetrahedral wire, and these spheres are covering octahedral wire. So this is tetrahedral wire, and this is octahedral wire. These two are top view of tetra and octahedral wires. These are exploded view, exploded side view of tetrahedral wire and octahedral wire. And these are the geometrical shape of the wires, geometrical shape of tetrahedral wire and geometrical shape of octahedral. Answer to worksheet number 10. If the number of close packed sphere is n, then the number of octahedral wires generated is equal to n, and the number of tetrahedral wires generated is equal to 2n. It is impossible to pack identical spheres together with a coordination number greater than 12. Now let us look at this example. A compound is formed by 2 elements x and y. Atoms of the element y, that is anions, make CCP, face-centered cubic close packing, and those of the elements x as cations occupy all the octahedral wires. What is the formula of the compound? Formula is the question. So element x occupy octahedral wire, atoms of y make CCP, right? So what is CCP structure? This is CCP. That means these are all y. These are all y. These are all y. And x occupy all the octahedral wire. What is the location of octahedral wire? Octahedral wire is present at the center of the edge, right? So x here, x here, x here, x here, x here, x here, center of the edge, right? Edge center per. And there is one more x inside this cube at the center, because that is also octahedral wire. This is how we can calculate. And also you know that if the number of particles forming close packing is n, then the number of octahedral wires is also equal to n. So here the CCP lattice formed by element y, the number of octahedral wires generated would be equal to the number of atoms y present in it. Since all the octahedral wires are occupied by the atoms of x, their number would also be equal to that of element y. Thus the atoms of elements x and y are present equal number of ratio, or 1:1 ratio. Therefore the formula of the compound is xy. Example 1.2. Atoms of element B form CCP lattice. So these are all B. It forms CCP lattice. B, B, B. These are all B. B form CCP lattice. And those of the element A occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral wire. 2/3 of tetrahedral wire. Look, the space just below this particle, this is tetrahedral wire. Tetrahedral wire. T. The particle which is present at the corner covers the tetrahedral wire. So there are 8 particles at the corner, and below them there is a tetrahedral wire. So there are 8 tetrahedral wires in this structure. This is one way you can calculate number of particles B if it is x, and number of particles present in the tetrahedral wire will be 2x. The number of octahedral wires formed is equal to twice the number of atoms of element B, and only 2/3 of these are occupied, only 2/3. Hence the ratio of number of A and B is A is to B is equal to 2 into 2/3 is to 1. That is equal to 4 by 3 is to 1. That is equal to 4 is to 3. So the formula will be A4 B3. Number of A4 and number of B3. So the formula will be A4 B3. Example 3. In a crystal of ionic compound, anions B forms CCP. So these are anions B minus, B minus, B minus. These are all anions. And cations A occupy 1/2 of tetrahedral wires. What is the formula of the compound? So the number of B in a CCP structure, the number of tetrahedral wires per unit cell is twice the number of particles forming CCP structure, but only 1/2 of the tetrahedral wires are occupied. Therefore, the number of cations is same as the number of anions. Hence, the formula of the compound is AP. Had the A occupied all the tetrahedral wires, then the formula would have been A to B, because half of the tetrahedral wires are occupied by cation A. Therefore, the formula is AB. These are the exercise questions. You have to do these exercise questions and we'll discuss the answer in our next video. Thank you for your keen interest in learning. I hope you might have been benefited by this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe so that you can get future videos immediately. In case of any suggestion, doubt or clarification, please write in the comment box or mail to ashok.k.gupta62@gmail.com. My contact number is 9038396543. Thank you once again. My best wishes for your academic success. Next video on packing efficiency will be released shortly. Thank you very much. Namaskar.